Hello, welcome to day one of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. So here it is. This is the first day of our challenge, our starting point, and this is today's challenge. So we have a rectangle component here, which is 230 mil wide by 150 mil high. This component has also two slots channeled at the actual middle, okay, and has two holes, bottom left and top right. This challenge will test your skills on whether you can use the line command, the rectangle command, the circle command. Can you dimension using dimension styles? And can you use the center tool to enable a center line horizontally and vertically? So this is today's challenge. Okay, you can access this drawing in the comments below, where you can get a free link to my Google Drive where you can download this PDF. So have fun. Hopefully you can create it. Tune back in at 6 p.m. UK time for a discussion and a solution, which should help you if you got stuck in any way. So good luck. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. And I'll see you again at 6 p.m.